Okay, solving both sides of the equation. This is similar to what we just did with distributive property. But what I'm trying to teach you here, or what you're trying to get from this question, is that an equation is like a sentence in English. Okay? We have two sides in an equation. We have our left side and our right side. And what separates the equation is our equal sign. Okay? So, if I was to read this in English, what this is saying, instead of reading the numbers, I'm going to read what I have for letters here. The left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. And we're going to solve this when x is equal to 3. Okay? So when x is equal to 3, left side of this equation should equal the right side of the equation. Let's prove this. And what they've done is they've separated this question into two parts, where they're just dealing with the left side, and then they're just dealing with the right side of the equation. Okay? What we should find is whatever number we get for the left side of the equation should be the equivalent on the right side of the equation, assuming I made up this question properly, which I should have, hopefully. So, let's deal with the left side of the equation first. We have 6, 2x, plus 1. That's what's on the left part of the equal sign. We're going to substitute our x is equal to 3 into the equation. That's going to give us 6 times 2. What happens to the x? It becomes a 3. What operation do I have with the 2? Multiplication. Good. So I have 2 times 3 now. Plus 1. Okay? Yeah, I'm going to zoom in for you. There you go. Okay? So now we're going to deal with that. Think of bed mass. We're going to deal with what's inside of our brackets first. And what's inside of our brackets is 2 times 3 and plus 1. Do we deal with the multiplication or the addition first in terms of bed mass? Multiplication. So we're going to deal with 2 times 3 first. What is 2 times 3? 6. Good. So 6 times 6 plus 1. I still have brackets, so I still have to deal with the brackets first. What is our 6 plus 1? Oh, that's supposed to be a subtraction sign. Okay, I'm going to change that, just so this ends up being equal. Otherwise it won't. What is 6 minus 1? 5. Yep, and I did something else wrong. Oh, shoot, this question's not going to work. Change this number to 3. I'm sorry. But in order for the left side to be equal to the right side, the question has to be set up properly. There you go, there you go. I apologize. Okay. That's going to give us our 5. And 3 times 5 will give us 15. Okay? I know I changed a lot as we went through. But the idea is the same. All I did was add a different number. Now on the right side of the equation, we have our 4x plus 3. Okay? When we substitute the number 3 in, same idea, we have 4 times 3 plus 3. According to bed mass, we multiply first. What is 4 times 3? And then 12 plus 3 is our, okay. And that gives us the left side of the equation being equal to the right side of the equation. Okay? That's all they're asking you to do in the first question. Sorry, page, there we go. In the bottom half of your page, that's all they want you to do. So these numbers were a little different from what you had at the bottom of the page. But I want you guys to give it a try. Sorry.